Achievable Health is a federally qualified health center that has a special focus on caring for people with intellectual and developmental disabilities. We've done this work for the last 10 years and we just keep getting better at it.
And from the behavior health lens, there's a specialization in doing whatever it takes to support partnerships for vulnerable people. So we go the extra mile. So I think that's what makes us unique and different.
Often new patients will come to us having been told they couldn't get care at other places. They've had staff tell them we don't take care of people like you here, and we really want to make sure that nobody hears that message again. I think a really important part of our mission is ensuring that clinicians outside of Achievable Health have good skills in caring for people with intellectual and developmental disabilities.
It's really necessary for there to be this baton passing process that happens. It's not enough to know how to service this population well, to be a great clinician, to see outcomes and change and positive healthcare. If this is going to be sustainable, if we're really going to have large impact, if we're really going to carry out our mission, then we really gotta be able to train other people.
The need in the community is great, both in Los Angeles and beyond, and so we really want to do our part to make sure the knowledge and experience that we've gained, that we can pass that on to others so that they can also provide excellent care to people with intellectual and developmental disabilities. And I'm excited for our expansion that will allow us to serve more patients.
Opening this health center expands our capacity to do more of what we're doing here. Having more patients walking through the door, we can expand our partnerships, so I'll be able to support more practicum students. We can train more of tomorrow's workforce because we can host them in our health center.
Working with patients from this population has just really brought me to a better understanding on how to apply what I'm learning in school and how to tailor it to this population. Many master's programs don't have a partnership with practicum placements. Azusa does. I never worked with the population with intellectual and developmental disabilities, so I thought it was a great opportunity just to learn.
My name is Alfredo Becerra, like the sauce, and I am from Inglewood, California. Ashley taught me not to live on a shadow of past resentments. And that's something that she said, and that's something that got stuck with me. That helped me. Achievable Health it's a sanctuary.
Same thing as we study to learn what are the best strategies for substance abuse, what are the best strategies for intimate partner violence, what are the best strategies for children, adults, the aging population. Folks with developmental disabilities deserve that same level of emphasis, and it's up to those of us who know and support the population to make sure that there's accountability on the university side and on the education side. There's this great synergy between Azusa Pacific, the social work department, and Achievable Health. That's the reason for the partnership with the university.
We also have a new provider starting with us in the fall who's going to focus on educational partnership and making sure we're getting our message out to those who it will most benefit.
Being able to accommodate, being able to support what might be different presentations for people. I'm hoping that we'll be able to continue to offer a place of belonging for our patients, which is the big piece that makes us unique and different. And so I'm really excited to be able to expand that and have the capacity to actually accommodate.
We'll be more than doubling our exam room space, which will allow us to hire additional providers to serve the needs of our community. We're also really looking hard at what additional services we might need to provide for patients, might want to include within Achievable Health so that we are as comprehensive as we can be at taking care of the needs of our patients.
This really is something that we've been working towards for years now. The culmination, a lot of planning, a lot of conversations, a lot of people really coming around us as a community, as a village to uplift us as an organization and uplift our patients.
It's quite exciting. I believe it will be so beneficial to see the progress that Achievable has offered in services towards patients.
On behalf of the board, staff, and our patient community. Thank you all for your partnership and your support for making this project possible for us.
I just want to thank you for those of you who came tonight for being part of Achievable.
Thank you, everybody, for joining us tonight at the gala. We're so excited for your ongoing support and to share the news about our expansion with you.